Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I just can't say enough about the great curls I get from this gem ceramic curling styling iron. And my favorite part is that it comes with interchangeable barrel sizes. So I can get different looks. I can get big wavy curls with a larger size barrel, or I can get really nice tight curls with the smaller size barrel. And it's great because I don't have to buy 3 different size styling tools. And I like the 360 swivel of the cord. So it makes it easier to maneuver around my hair. It also comes with an indicator light that clearly shows that it's on. And it's so simple to operate because you just press the on-off button. It's not complicated at all. The long cord is also really convenient, especially if you're going to use it on somebody else. And it has a Velcro strap so that when you're not using it, you can fold up the cord and store it more easily. The results I get from this gem 3-in-1 ceramic styling curling iron are just so exceptional. And that's my point of view.